Good morning, guys. Welcome. So, this is another vlog. Okay, I don't know. It's just a continuation. So basically, this is a week in the life of a content creator, guys. I started taking my Instagram seriously because, you know, I was watching TikTok and then all those girls were like, this is your sign to take your Instagram seriously. And guys, literally, like once I did that, everything started changing. But I'm not too sure about the followers because, yeah, those people already have TikTok, so they're probably famous on TikTok, and then so it doesn't work. But anyways, so I'm about to create some content. I want to do like a fake mirror selfie. I don't have a mirror. As you know, I'm in Potchefstroom, I'm in West, so I don't really have proper things to work with. But we're gonna be faking it until we make it. Okay, so I got two phones. I got my tweet, which is as Hisense. So basically what I'm going to be doing is like, I want to do like a nice little setup on my bed. I love white and gray. My page is full of like white and gray, but with like bright colored outfits because I love bright colors. So it kind of makes sense that I continue with that storyline. But I'm going to try going outside to take some pictures, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. But so this is a fake phone, and literally I'm gonna be posing like you get it, and then I'm gonna finish it. So now I'm just gonna show you some PR packages that I received last week or the week before. I don't know, guys, but just gonna show you what I got. Let's do like a quick unboxing. So I got this bag from No Hair, and they sent me their new sensitive range. Guys, sorry if I'm out of the frame, I'm just trying to take everything out. So these are the things they sent to me. Very nice. I love these, been using them. So obviously my review is genuine, and it also came with this little bag. I think I'm gonna put my, I don't know, like quick makeup in here in this bag. And then I also got some skincare. I'm expecting a lot this week because I'm recording on Sunday, so I'm probably gonna upload my vlogs every Friday. It makes sense. So Skin Functional sent me some of their products. I've been shooting content with this, so that's why it looks busted. So this is what the PR package came looking like. They sent me this, and then they also sent me this. So a lot is gonna come this week, so I'm expecting quite a lot. And guys, I need to film a Shein haul, but I got lazy. Okay, I filmed it, but the lighting wasn't good, and right now the lighting seems to be perfect. So I might try to redo the Shein haul where I'm just going to be sitting down and then showing the items right here on the screen. Makes sense. So without rambling too much, I'll see you guys in the next clip, or when I have my setup for my photo shoot ready, and yeah, or when I'm about to go outside, because I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. But yes. Oh, by the way, I started posting TikToks. So far so good, you know. So yeah, I'm definitely doing that. So I need to shoot some TikToks, and yeah. So guys, I did what I said I was gonna do. I'm outside at my first location, just shooting some pictures. The light is on my side. I look cute, y'all. I look cute. I'll just insert a picture somewhere for you guys to see my outfit. I look so cute. have my little Shein bag, Shein glasses, everything, the whole office from Shein. And yeah, let me just show you my outfit real quick. This is my shoes, and yeah guys, we outside. Shit, and going back home. Okay, so I'm gonna go do a quick outfit change. Guys, the sun, we outside, bitch. I just love everything that I'm doing. I'm always so shy to come outside and take some content, but I finally did it, guys. So I'll see you guys after I put on my second outfit. I just have to take these things back because I'm alone, there's no one helping me. So if I had a car, it was gonna be easier, but I'm a broke 20-year-old student, so I need to do what needs to be done. Just going back home to change, and then I'll do 2 outfits today, and then yeah. Hey, I come back. So it's 4, the perfect time to shoot your pictures. 3:30 to 4 to 4:30. That's like the perfect time to shoot your pictures. So I changed my outfit. I'm wearing one of my crochet dresses because we can't be promoting our Shein and forgetting about my brand, my clothes. And who isn't better than the designer? Ciao. Ciao, ciao, ciao. I look good. And I don't need confirmation. So I'm just gonna insert some videos if I take some at the end so you guys can see the things I've shot today. And yeah, so I want the same aesthetic, so I'm gonna go back to the same place and shoot, and then we'll edit, and then it will look cool. Oh, and the cars driving by, they've been staring at me, but now it's gonna be worse because this dress is kind of see-through, but I don't care. I'm doing what I gotta do, okay? So I'm done taking pictures, and what I learned is people are gonna stay, and 3 o'clock is the perfect time for so if I want to take pictures next time, 3 o'clock I must be outside. But I'm done. Can't wait to show you guys the final products, and sure. So guys, they have a jumping castle. Aye.
Nice on campus.
It's vibes on campus.
Vibes.
Every nice day on campus. And music, guys. What's happening? And Mina, I come here with my bag going to the library.
I'm going to the library studying, and then people are video at the jumping castle.
What's happening here?
Jimmy, let's go to the jumping castle.
Yeah.
Plus, we're also students.
Jim, this is Carlino.
Hey, I know my friend.
What's happening at Carlino? Hi guys. So I just came back from the library. I'm currently on campus, and my friends are taking pictures. We're outside. This mask, it holds my ears. I don't like it. And I was wearing a nose ring, but it fell. Ciao, the sun. It's so nice. Why are you so stingy with pictures? Ah, you're so stingy. Even me, yesterday I asked you to take pictures on my phone. You're telling me it's enough. Watch your man. That's not how it's done. Me now want 20 pictures doing the same pose. Show me what you're stingy with pictures. Hi y'all. So I just got a couple of packages, and I'm gonna unbox them for you guys, so you guys can see. Okay, the lighting is not on my side though. It's a little bit harsh. So I'm gonna unbox and show you guys what I've received. And yeah, let me just show you what I got. Excuse my ugly toes. So yesterday I got this box, and Checkers sent me this box full of healthy alternatives. So if you're trying to eat healthy and become healthy, they have a new Simple Truth range. So they sent me some sweet potato noodles. I've never tried this. Yeah, they sent me a lot of stuff. They gave me a Checkers savings card. I don't have this one. They sent me their muesli. Okay, yeah, I've never tried that also. They sent me coconut sugar. Also never tried that. Actually, I've never tried any of these things. So, okay, this is quite heavy. They've sent me some almond milk. Super excited to try that. Okay. And then this is multi cleaner. I didn't want to take this out of the packaging because it's mixed with food, y'all. So we have to stay healthy. Then they send me chipotle sauce. I'm super excited to try this. This looks so good. Really excited to try that. Okay, they also sent me their dark chocolate skinned dipped almonds. Definitely wanna try these. They sent me their fusilli, high protein. I don't know how to pronounce this, but this just looks like, yeah, I don't know. You guys get it. They also sent me, oh my god, okay, this is sweet chili sauce, reduced sugar. I hope this tastes good. Because I can't wait to be making some wings. Chill. Grapeseed oil. Yum. I'm just putting it out. I'm outside because the lighting is better. Smoky barbecue. Can't wait to make some wings. Yeah, I love wings. I love wings. Some chunky peanut butter. I don't like chunky peanut butter, but yeah. They sent me apricot jam. I love jam. Oh, I'm gonna eat so good. I just need to buy bread. Guys, I don't like bread. They also sent me tangy mayonnaise. Yum. Super excited. And then some, I thought this was yogurt, but some odorless coconut oil, guys. Ugh, I love this. I can't wait to use it. So that's everything they've sent. And then I'm gonna show you the next box from Cetaphil that I received. And yeah.